Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ni ce taku Fatima Haruna wanda aka fi sani da Sayyada Sayyada Haruna. So I have been on this platform for the past 3 years. I only allow you people to know what I want you to know about myself. So the reason why I'm telling you people my real name is that I'm facing some challenge akan business ina da nake yi, kun san komin mu ya koma online. So idan muka gama ciniki da mutum idan zai make it in payment in shi and he asked me to send my account number to him, idan na tura mishi account number na mai suna Fati Haruna UBA bank, he will be like, but I'm chatting with Sayyada Haruna, why will you send me this account? I will be like, yeah, you are safe, it's not 419. Wasu sai na musu voice record su tabbata da ni suke magana before making their payment. Wasu kuma su ce they will not make their payment, it's a scam. So I'm making this video, idan mun gama ciniki da kai, you can feel free and make your payment. Yeah, I'm the one. Thank you so much for always supporting me.